I am a mind reader, and I'm going to read your mind right now. You ready? Here goes. You're sick and tired of all the scams and shady so-called opportunities and empty promises online. You don't feel like you're asking that much. You'd like the potential to start making $100 to $200 a day, but you wouldn't mind scaling to a six-figure income. You're willing to take action, but at the same time you've heard that an online business can be automated to a large degree, which is 100% true. You just want a friendly person or company to help you. You want a real person to contact if you need support. And you want an income method that's friendly and warm and unintimidating. You know, like one you can curl up with on the couch, sipping your coffee or hot chocolate while logging into your laptop and actually seeing real money that's been made from the 30 minutes or so you spent on your business the previous morning. Ultimately, you want financial freedom. You want control of your life, and you don't want to continually worry about this bill or that expense. You might also want to quit your day job and tell your boss goodbye for good, like I did many years ago. You may even want the internet lifestyle, my lifestyle. I'm able to make money while I sleep, literally, while I'm on vacation, at 5-star hotels, on cruise ships, anywhere with an internet connection. It's a beautiful thing, what can I say? Hey, it's Brian Winters here, and okay, I'm not a mind reader, but how did I do? Was I pretty close to the mark? Chances are I was, and that's just because I've been where you are and have had all the same thoughts and desires. I've been laid off, I've been through divorce, I have bills and pay child support, all that stuff. I also have some expensive hobbies to this day. I play music and have a music studio set up in my basement. I also love to fish, and walking in a store that sells fishing tackle is like walking into a candy store for me. And let me tell you, fishing tackle isn't cheap. I'm also into knife making. Yes, knife making. I make folding knives like this one. I love it because I like working with my hands, but the equipment to make knives of this quality is expensive. I also have a fiance and 3 daughters, my 4 biggest expenses. But hey, I love them, of course. But listen, while I'm not a mind reader, I've been where you are and haven't forgotten what it was like. Despite that, I've now got over 17 years of online experience under my belt. Not only do I know what you want, I've got what you want. So congratulations, you've come to the right place and you've found the right guy, somebody who cares and who can really help. With my music and knife making and other interests, I'm definitely the creative type, offline but also online. I've been blessed, or cursed, with a brain that never stops coming up with ideas, sometimes $1 million ideas like this one. Despite all the scams and garbage out there, there really are a ton of ways to make money online. It's actually overwhelming how many ways there are to make money online. So let me simplify it for you. Right now, nothing is hotter than ecom. Not ebooks or private label or membership sites or network marketing or digital courses or webinars or anything else landing in your inbox besides ecom. I mean, look at the richest man in the world, Jeff Bezos. He's worth over $100 billion. Can you even imagine? And how has he made his fortune? Well, ecom, of course. He's the owner of Amazon.com. This kind of opportunity, referring to ecom, gets my mind absolutely racing, to the point that it sometimes keeps me awake at night. But it's a blessing in disguise because it's exactly what has enabled me to envision and develop an ecom selling system and software unlike anything else available. A system that actually thrives on stupid, simple, free traffic. It's so unique, in fact, that I filed a patent for the software. I call it Shop Monopoly. Shop Monopoly is the world's first micro ecom store creator of its kind. There's nothing else like it. So what's a micro ecom store? It's basically a direct response store for e-commerce products such as these. Instead of typical online retail stores where you offer a variety of products, you're featuring and selling, in most cases, a single product, like any of those I just zipped through. And not to toot my own horn, but it's ingenious. I'm extremely excited about it. I'm going to be using it like crazy myself now that it's finally up and running after many months of development by my team. And me and my users, including you, are going to be racking up success stories with it left and right, no doubt about it. Speaking of which, check this out. My very first go with the Shop Monopoly software, and I got it on video for you as proof of its income power. I'm just going to let this short clip play as I talk because you can always back up and watch it again if you miss anything. But what I'm showing you here is completely raw, very raw, unedited, cell phone video footage of me making a very easy $600 even in less than 24 hours with my very first Shop Monopoly store of many dozens of stores to come. Pay close attention and you see that my jvzoo.com account income goes up $600 in less than 24 hours. And there's some other sales in there too, but $600 is the bulk of it from making two $300 high ticket store sales through a Shop Monopoly store that I created in just minutes. Most people will choose to sell physical products through their Shop Monopoly stores, but digital products and services can also easily be sold, and in this case I chose to sell email ads. The point is, it's totally up to you what you want to sell. The options are literally endless. You can choose the product or service, launch your store in as little as 20 minutes, and you're ready to start making money. The beauty of Shop Monopoly is that it's all inclusive. Hosting, traffic, everything you need is all right here, ready and waiting for you to make an unlimited income with. Shop Monopoly flat out works. You've seen the proof now with your own eyes, so let's get back to our main presentation to finish up and get you started on making money online, even if you've never made a single dollar online. The benefits of Shop Monopoly, both the core software and the free traffic selling formula behind it, are manifold. First off, the software forces you to make stores with maxed out income potential, all with zero need for expensive add-ons, sifting through templates and guessing which one is going to convert, etc., etc. Rather than give you a blank slate like Shopify, for example, Shop Monopoly does the exact opposite. We've got a cookie cutter, so to speak, layout that flat out works and gets your visitors to click your add to cart button fast. You just fill out a form and let the Shop Monopoly store builder do its thing. And you can watch your site being built as you go. That said, there are still dozens of ways to customize your stores with different fonts and colors and images and YouTube videos and more. We also hook you up with free access to thousands of images that you can use to spice up your store. You can sell just about any physical product you want, or digital products if you choose. Now, can you drop ship with Shop Monopoly? Of course, and here's how. Your customer pays you through your shop, meaning you're paid up front. You go to your supplier website for the product they've bought, and then you simply enter your customer's address as the shipping address and place the order. Keep the profit and you're done. Now, how easy is that? And how do you accept payment? It's easy. You can choose from various processors. We support PayPal, ClickBank, and JVZoo, so there's definitely an option for just about anybody in the world, no matter where you live. And listen to this. When choosing to process with ClickBank or JVZoo, you can use their free affiliate platforms to get affiliates to promote your shops and only pay commissions after they've sent you sales. You want a funnel? You can easily set up a series of store pages to create a full-blown funnel from low-ticket product to high-priced offer. You can create unlimited sites in as little as 20 minutes each. If you've ever tried Shopify, you'll appreciate how lightning fast and easy Shop Monopoly is by comparison. There really is no comparison. We also host your sites for free on our dedicated servers, another huge value. And maybe the coolest benefit of all, Shop Monopoly has a built-in marketplace where we automatically list your offers for sale in our marketplace. So visitors from around the world visit our marketplace where they can buy directly from you with zero fees taken by us. Unlimited free traffic, zero fees, and 100% profits? Are you kidding me? This is simply an incredible ecom selling system, ecom software platform, and free traffic marketplace. An all-in-one online business opportunity like no other. Another thing, making money online should be fun, and Shop Monopoly is a blast. There's no pressure, you can get rolling in minutes, or you can just relax and take your sweet old time. But do take action, because you won't hit six figures online hoping for money. And rest assured, I'm not going anywhere. If you're a Shop Monopoly user, you're a friend. You no longer have to do it alone online. Now, what about bonuses? As a free bonus, when you join today, I'll give you a free invite into our private six-figure ecom mogul group, where you'll get to chat with both me and other Shop Monopoly users. And I'll tell you what, I'm in an awesome mood today, so with the launch of our platform underway at last. So I'm going to outdo myself with a second mega bonus. Join Shop Monopoly today at our introductory fee while it lasts, and I'll automatically stock your account with over $1,200 worth of proven hot selling ecom products that you can sell and keep 100% profit on. This includes product images, ad copy, suggested retail price, product sources, and more for over 50 products. So we even take the guesswork out of choosing a product. Listen, I've thought of everything for you, from free traffic to free product listings to free hosting to getting free affiliates to free image and video content and so much more. This is an all-inclusive opportunity. You won't need anything else and won't ever have to pay to get traffic. Click the button below to get Shop Monopoly at our special launch price while you still can. You have up to 60 full days to try Shop Monopoly out and get your money back if for some unfathomable reason you aren't satisfied. Heck, you could even go over my head to get a refund straight from my payment provider. You simply have zero risk. Order now to get Shop Monopoly at the lowest fee possible and to claim your bonuses, including over $1,200 worth of DFY products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.